And now we'll make Finnish Christmas casseroles, Joululaatikot. The main ingredients are Rutabaga, also known as Swede, and carrots. First, of course, we'll need to peel them all. The carrot casserole also has typically some rice in it, so I'll be boiling some short grain rice with just with water, and I'll do that with microwave, so just to be quick. Then I'll need to chop up the rutabagas to small pieces so that they will cook a bit faster. Just make them quite same size. The same thing for the carrots, and carrots to the pot with small amount of water. Then cook them to be soft and easy to make a mash out of them. Just test with the fork when they are ready. Now I take half of the rutabaga and the liquid for another set, because I'm doing two types of casseroles. One of these is the traditional one from my grandma Rauha. Traditionally, Finnish Christmas casseroles, one of them has rutabaga and the other one has carrots and rice. But my grandmother's recipe, over 100 years old, has them both. And because I don't have Finnish syrup, I'll use brown sugar, a third of a cup, and then butter. This is good, full fat butter, no margarine for this dish. Then mixing them together. Now goes in some wheat flour, normal all-purpose flour, and then some ground nutmeg, and of course some salt. Then goes in also 1 egg, and you should also put some cinnamon in. You can also add the cinnamon on top. Then we'll add these to the boxes. These kind of boxes are traditionally used. It's easy to cook the dish there and also serve it. I'll even out the surface and then add some breadcrumbs on top. This will make it nice and crunchy on top. Just a little bit of decoration there as well. So this is the one that my grandmother used to do. I was planning to have more carrots, but unfortunately I didn't, so I'll have only a very small carrot casserole. I'll mix that with those cooked rice, add some salt and then brown sugar and also some cream. This is a normal heavy cream. Just mixing them together, and to the box it goes. It's a little bit tiny because I had so few carrots. Like others, also some breadcrumbs on top. And then we still have the rutabaga casserole, very classic recipe. Well, there are many recipes for this. In this one we'll add 1 egg, and then we'll add breadcrumbs and salt and cream. Of course, then some ground nutmeg as well. And let's not forget the brown sugar. This I use because I didn't have the Finnish syrup, but this tastes exactly the same. Of course, it's a great idea to take a little taste test. This time I'll use the hand mixer so that I mix this very smooth. I could have mixed them all with this one or do it manually. The texture will be very smooth with this one. So adding a little bit of cream to have more creamy texture. This is like potato mash, but with a lot of upgrades and not about potatoes. Then to the casserole it goes as well. And I'll give the same treatment, even it out and add some breadcrumbs on top. About 440 Fahrenheit. Then, depending on the oven, this will take about an hour, and it looks marvelous. And I forgot to add the cinnamon on top. Oh my! Merry Christmas, hyvää joulua.